Hi Creative Cups! Welcome back to Creative Cups Art, where every day feels a little more magical. Since Christmas is coming closer, today we are drawing something super festive and super adorable, a cute little gingerbread man. So grab your colors, get cozy, and let's start creating Christmas magic together. First, I'm starting with the mouth, a happy smile. Let's draw cute small teeth on the top and a little tongue showing. Next, I'm adding two big eyes, one on the left and the other on the right of the mouth. Now adding cute lashes on both the eyes. Now I'm drawing a U shape for the face to complete the head. Right on top of that, I'm adding the fluffy, cloudy part of the Santa's cap. And now comes the Santa cap itself. Small pointy cap. With a cute pom-pom at the end. Perfect. Next I'm drawing a cute bow at the neck. Let's move to the body now. I am drawing the right hand first. And now I am completing the left hand. And then going down, I am drawing the two legs. One leg and two. The second one. Good job. And now it's time to add the details. Drawing the wavy icing lines on the legs. And on both hands. Because that's what makes a gingerbread cookie look so yummy. A cute heart-shaped button and a round button next. Cool, that's so now amazing. Now it's time to color our gingerbread man. So I'm using brown for the gingerbread man and red and green for the bow and the buttons and red obviously for the Santa's cap. Here I am fast forwarding the video, but at any point if you find it going too speedy, you can always pause the video and look back. And that's a cute little gingerbread man all ready for Christmas. Creative Cups, you did such an amazing job. Even Santa would be so proud of your drawing today. Keep practicing, keep imagining, and keep spreading joy with your art. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Creative Cups Art. See you in the next fun Christmas drawing. Take care. Bye bye.